Everyone, this is Sheetal Sappan Matre, and today I'm going to share with you a request magic ritual from the Angel Magic Workshop. It's a pretty simple ritual but a very effective one. For this ritual you will require currency. I'm going to use Indian currency. You will require cinnamon powder, which is also known as dalchini. This powder is available at any place. If you do not have it in powder form, you can also use cinnamon sticks. You will require dry ginger. You can just take ginger and keep it in the sun and let it dry. You get dry ginger even in the market. I'm using a bloodstone crystal for this ritual. In case if you do not have a bloodstone crystal or any other crystal, it's okay. This is optional. We would also require an envelope. Alright, as you can see, I have drawn Zebu symbols, Reiki symbols, Hindu symbol on this envelope. I have also written certain words that means prosperity to me, like light, happiness, joy, abundance, Shreem. As we it's name of goddess Lakshmi, prosperity, blessings, money, wisdom. So you can take any envelope and draw the symbols, whichever symbols you resonate with, plus also write these words. This envelope can be any kind of envelope, just a paper envelope is a better option. So let's of course, as always, we require a white tea light candle no matter what. We would also require a piece of paper on which we are going to write our request. So our request will be, dear God, Goddess, Guardian Angels, Angel of Abundance, Archangel Ariel, it is my will to receive. Write the amount that you wish to receive or more, this or better. Thank you. Then you write your name at the end. It's like I have written my name, lots of gratitude, Sheetal Sappan Matre. You will then put this request in the envelope. Okay. Then you will put the ginger root in it, the notes in it. Okay, and of course a crystal. As I said, this is optional. If you don't have a crystal, that's okay. Okay, then we are going to sprinkle cinnamon powder in it. Alright, and when we are going to sprinkle the cinnamon powder, we are going to say, dear God, Goddess, Guardian Angels, please sprinkle the magic of abundance on my request, this or better. Thank you. Once I have done that, I am going to take a little bit of wax from the candle that I have lit. Okay, you can use any so little bit of wax I will use, and I will put it on the envelope. Okay, alright, I will just put it on the envelope, this request of mine. Okay, and I'm going to close it. Okay, so I sealed my request. I'm going to keep this envelope on my altar, my request that I have made to God and Goddess, for the next 7 days. This ritual has to be started on a Wednesday or a Friday, and it has to be done for the next 7 days. So if you start on a Wednesday, the ritual will end on a Tuesday, that is the next Tuesday. If you start on a Friday, the ritual will end on next Thursday. So the next 7 days, you're going to light a candle, and you're going to keep your hand on this request that you have made, and you're going to repeat the same prayer to God, Goddess and the angels, which is: Dear God, Goddess, guardian angels, angel of abundance and Archangel Ariel, it is my request to receive 20 lakhs or more, this or better. Thank you. Lots of gratitude, Sheetal Sapan Matre. This you will do for 7 days. On the 7th day, you will keep this envelope in your wealth box or wherever you keep your money in. Alright? And once you receive the amount, you will remove the request paper and burn it with the help of a candle. Please be careful with fire, as I always say. And whatever remains of the paper is there, you will throw away. The candle you will burn for 7 whole days. You can keep this in front of any angel or deity that you want to keep this request in front of, in case if you don't want to keep it in your wealth box. So this is a simple ritual for request magic to the angels for prosperity. Thank you so much. This is Sheetal Sapan Matre. Have a great day ahead.